The purpose of this video is to show you how you can access archived Atlas curriculum planning from last year, from 2021, and how you can use that archived work and copy units across from 2021 into 2022. In order to do that, you need to find the curriculum that you're looking for. So you go to this All Curriculum option here at the top and click on Browse. When you've done that, there'll be a new option that wasn't there last year, because last year was our first year of using Atlas. There was no reason to select a current year. There was only 1 year. So if I click on this option here, I now have the choice of, well, there's 3 options, but really only 2. 2021, last year's work, and the current year, which is the same as 2022. So what happened is late last year, Atlas took an archive of all the work that was in it at that point in time. So it was in December, took a snapshot and saved all of that work into the archive. It stays there untouched so that you can go back and access that at any point going forward. So 5 years from now, you can go back to 2021 and go, oh, there was a unit I did on such and such. I remember doing that. It was in the middle of the pandemic. It was 2021. I'll go find that and I can copy it across. All right, so it's snapshot saved forever, so you can go back and reuse it or copy it across and update it to reflect the current cohort, whatever it is that you'd like to do. So it saves it forever. Any editing that you did to that subject after the archive date, so if you edited it post the archive date, that is now part of the 2022 curriculum plan. Won't have altered this 2021 plan whatsoever. So how do I find what I'm looking for? And just to give you an idea, I'll use health and PE as an example. So I'll select 2021. And the reason I use health and PE is they come up near the top anyway. And it also allows us to show that there is a difference here. So in the current year, there's no Year 9 Health, Year 7 Health and PE are combined into one subject, no Year 8 Health, because they're all now allocated as part of the electives program. So this is definitely 2021 that we're looking at. And let's say that I want to go into Year 9 Health because there's something that's relevant for one of the electives that I'm running this year. So I really want to copy something across. So I can go into this Year 9 Health plan. I can go into this first unit, mental health. Wait till it opens. All right, and then I can click on actions and I can click here on copy unit. So I click on copy unit. It's going to let me to say, all right, I want to copy mental health. Where do I want to copy it to? It's brought up my subjects by default because I'm the one who's logged in, so I don't have a PE subject. But let's say I want to put it into this Year 9 focus subject. I'll delete it back out later, but I'm going to copy it into there. All right, that's my current subject. That is what I'm currently working on for 2022. And then I just copy the units, hit OK. It says the existing unit will remain untouched. In other words, the archived unit will remain untouched. And now it's automatically taken me into this Year 9 focus subject, which is allocated to me under Atlas. And there it is there. There's that mental health unit. Where's my arrow gone? There's my mental health unit that I've just copied across. Now you can also use that copy unit for 2022 subjects into a different 2022 subject. All right, so say I want to take that same mental health unit now and I want to copy it into Year 10 science. I don't know why I'd want to do that, but in theory I can. I go into the unit, so I need to be in the unit itself. Click on actions, and I've got more options here because this is my curriculum that I'm editing. I'm going to copy the unit. Same thing, same principle, same process. All right, so I'm going to copy mental health into Year 10 science. I'm going to copy the units, and again, it should take me through into Year 10 science. All right, so there's the actual science curriculum, and just underneath that, here's the unit that I've just inserted. So you can copy units across from 2021 into 2022. You can copy units from an existing 22 subject into another existing 22 subject. So a couple of things this video aimed to cover. One, showing you how you can go back if you've gone, oh my God, where's my unit gone? It is still in Atlas. You can go back to 2021 and get it. And how can I actually take that and not have to copy and paste everything and do it manually? Well, you can take a whole unit and copy it across from one course into another course and make it current. So hopefully this video has been helpful. The other thing I'll just quickly touch on is that with Atlas having been tidied up, the correct teachers are now allocated to the correct subjects. If there needs to be changes made to that, tell me, I'll make those changes. And I'm happy to add people or take people out as required. Equally, subjects that aren't running, I've deleted out of the system. If you had done work on those, that work is not lost. It sits in a recycle bin, which is over here, and I can click on this recycle bin. So all I need to know is this is my specific recycle bin, not the overall. That's why there's only a couple of things in there. So if there's a subject that I've deleted, you go, oh my God, I did all this work, can you put it back? Just shoot me an email or touch base with me. All I got to do is literally click on, I'm not going to do it because I don't want these back, but just click on restore. It will completely restore the entire unit. All right. Or if it's an entire course, it will restore the entire course. So don't panic. If something's gone, I asked for feedback from KLA leaders and I've acted on the feedback that I've received. So if I've done that in good faith, if I've taken something and you need it, all you got to do is say the word, I'll put it straight back. So please don't panic if you see that something's gone that you thought was there. So we've covered accessing the archive, copying from the archive into existing subjects, copying from one existing subject to another existing subject, and I've just explained to you that any work that has gone is not truly gone. All you got to do is ask and it can be put back. If you have any questions, as always, please do let me know. Otherwise, I thank you for taking the time to watch this video and I hope it was helpful. Thanks, guys.